Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Bank of Baroda. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in bankofbaroda.in and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for the Bank of Baroda. Now click on the login button at the top right corner and then choose from the various different kinds of login options. After clicking on your preferred login, you will be taken into the login portal. Now go ahead and type in your user ID within the user ID box and then choose your language from the language drop-down menu. You can then click on the login button and you will be asked to enter your account password. Just type in your account password and click on login once again and you will be logged into your account right away. In case you don't have a password set, you can click on the set password option and you will be allowed to set up your new password after verifying your identity using your email address or your phone number. You can also click on mobile OTP activation and you will be able to use your phone number in order to log into your account using a verification code. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on Bank of Baroda. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.